Hey Francisco, it's Dave Husted, Ken Garf Honda downtown. Hey, wanted to send you a quick video of this 2004 Chevy Silverado half-ton 1500. It is a regular cab, short bed with a topper. It's an LT with 194,000 miles, I believe. This thing is in mint condition. I mean, there's no major damage, no dings or dents. You look inside there. I mean, that's your frame rail. It's, pretty clean for being in Utah. Got a running board there. This has the Lear single window topper on it. You've got the factory fender flares. Yeah, it's just really clean truck. Got a little bit of a scratch right there, but heck, for being the age of the vehicle. Got a tow package. It's clean, all right. Let's look under the hood here. It looks like it's got a new alternator. I mean, there's no knocking, there's no nothing, no leaks. Got a little bit of wear and tear on that seat, but I mean, for being as old as it is, that's pretty good. I'll take that for 17 years old. So we jump in here. Got our four-wheel drive selectors, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Air conditioning's blowing nice cold air. Nice truck. Anyways, this is the video of the 2004 Chevy Silverado being offered at Ken Garf Honda downtown. My name's Dave Husted. You can reach me at 801-865-6598. Love to schedule a time for you to come test drive it. I believe you're out of state, but if there's any additional information you would like from me, I'd be happy to get that over to you. Again, 801-865-6598. Dave Husted, Ken Garf Honda downtown. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. Take care of yourself, and we'll talk to you soon.